Hello guys, now let us do perfection by fix this error. Let us fix the error which it tells me cluster network name resource file registration of one or more associated domain name system name because the access blah blah blah. Ensure the cluster name object CNO is granted permission to secure DNS zone. We need to fix this problem and we can fix it easily by this. We can access to Victoria DC1. In Victoria DC1 you remember we have two records. One for the SQL cluster itself 200 and the other one is for 201. So first I will delete this one SQL 2019 DTC and I'll show you why do I delete it, because I need to recreate it. And here again it is SQL 2019 DTC, and this time I want you to activate this checkbox, allow any authenticated user to update DNS records with the same owner name. And of course you need to set the IP address, which is 192.168.0.201. This is for the first record. And then we have another record for SQL 2019. This one also you need to delete it. Unfortunately, you cannot access to properties and fix it. So the only way is to delete it and recreate it. And this one is going to be SQL 2019. IP address 192.168.0.200. And again, allow any authenticated user to update DNS records. Add host. Okay. And done. And from now on, we expect not to have any more kind of errors like this one. So for now, I will reset the event. And anyway, in the next video, we have the installation of SQL instance, and then we will get enough time to run the cluster, and we will see if we start to get more errors like the domain name system error, which we had it previously. But I don't expect to have any more problems from now on. Thanks for watching.